Hi, in this video I will explain how you can play Roblox on Linux using Sober. Sober is available as a Flatpak package and you can find it in the store on most distros like Pop! OS or CachyOS. If your distro doesn't have Flatpak integration, you can install it through the command line, which is very simple as you can see on the screen. Go to flathub.org and search for Sober. Once you find it, click on it to open the Sober page. On that page, click on the drop-down next to the Install button to see the commands. Copy the command and run it in your terminal to install Sober. On the first run, make sure to enable Allow Controller Access. As you continue, you will be asked for permission and you just need to copy the command from the dialog box and run it in your terminal. After giving permission, run Sober again and you will see the Roblox sign-in screen. If you don't have an account, create one. If you already have an account, click on Sign In and then click on Quick Sign In. You will see a QR code and a code below it. You can scan the QR code to go to the link and enter the code, or use the Roblox app on your Android device. In your Roblox Android app, tap on More at the bottom right. Next, tap on Quick Sign In at the bottom of the page. Next, paste the code and approve. Now you can enjoy playing your favorite Roblox games on Linux. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel to support us.